Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talking about 5 KDP coloring book niches. So when finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book or a niche area that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. So if you are watching with for the very first time on my channel, I talk about KDP, that is all about passive income. So if you are interested in such kind of thing, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching me for the very first time, obviously you can support me, but if you are supporting for a very long time, because some of the people here who are interesting to me, who are just watching to my video and learn a lot of things about Amazon KDP self-publishing business. So now we are going to Amazon Marketplace and find out profitable coloring book niche. Today our first niche is come of the ADORABLE adorable ABC coloring book. Here we can showing the result 1000 results showing the adorable ABC coloring book. 1000 results showing for adorable ABC coloring book. So now we can discuss this book also have review 7-1. This is good, and this book published on 2021 June 7. Also this book 7-1 review. Also this book 717 review. So we can show the interior page. This is a book cover, and this is a book cover, and it very much easy to make this type of book cover. So you can this is a interior page. Wow, this is very easy to make these interior pages. So you can create a great manuscript and create some really good cover, then you can earn unlimited profit. So our second niche is Capricorn coloring book. Capricorn coloring book. This is 166. This is 166 results showing Amazon Keticon coloring book. So this is very profitable and unlimited earning. If you wish to upload this type of book, you can earn unlimited earning. Keticon coloring page. This is a book cover. Keticon coloring book. This is a book cover, and we can easily make this type of book. This is interior page, and we are easily making this type of book. This is a Keticon. This is a back page, back cover page, interior. This type of interior we can make easily. So you can easily make this type of book cover and this type of manuscript. We can also show how many profit per month from this book. PSR rank কোথায়? $75 pages and 8.5 into 11. 75 pages, 8.5 into 11. Please wait, loading the BSR rank. We can wait. Attach 28,059. 529, 500 book. Calculate. Wow, per day sale 10 and per month sales per month 147 sales per month, 147 per day sales 10. So this seller per month income unlimited. So you can easily make this type of book and upload it with a good keyword description of Amazon. So our third niche is pony coloring book. Our third niche is pony coloring book. Here the results will be shown 1000. So this is also another good niche, pony coloring book. Pony coloring book. Pony coloring book. Pony coloring book with sticker gift for girls 96 ages to multi-color. Here 2440 review. 2440 review. So to calculate, we can show calculate the average income per month. This book 840. Wow, per day sales 167 66 and per month 2485. So this is very good niche. This is very profitable coloring book, pony coloring book. So our fourth niche is sloth coloring book. Sloth coloring book. This is also shown 1000 results. This is also another good niche, sloth coloring book. This is sloth coloring book for adult, animal coloring book for adult, 2466 review. Sloth coloring book, 347 review. So this is another good niche. So we can work must be this type of book. So easily a lot of money get earned from this type of niche. Here this BSR rank is 67333. 6767333. Here this per day sales 5 and sales per month 70. This is also good. And our fifth niche is guinea pig coloring book. Guinea pig coloring book. This is also another profitable niche. Here result shown 341 results for guinea pig coloring book. This is also very profitable niche. Here we can see 5 review. Here is 29 review. Here is 20 to 211 review. So we can easily make this type of niche. This type of book we can easily make. So there are 5 profitable coloring book niche also discussed today. If you get into the right niche and use the right keyword and make good qualityful book cover, so you can easily earn a lot of money from Amazon KDP. So if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so I can actually share with you more niche, more idea and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much. Thank you all.